and stay there with a lot of fishermen in 2012. I'm also challenging you, Mr. President. You called me up twice and stopped that voyage. And ano nangyari sa Scarborough? That is May of 2012. Because of you, Sunny. Sabi sa akin ng Presidente, Nick, pwede ho bang makisuyo? Bakit po, sir? We are now about to leave. Nandun na kami sa pampang ng Scarborough. Eh kasi ho, si Sunny usap sa China. I was taught it's Sunny Belmonte, the Speaker of the House, because hindi ko alam na si Sunny eksperto na at that time, in 2012, sa foreign policy. So I'm clueless that it's Sunny Trillanes the President is referring to when he was talking to me on the phone. Sabi ko, sige sir, hindi postpone mo na namin, baka may magandang mangyayari. This is May of 2012. That's why that Scarborough, na pagpunta ron, na-cancel. Pinagbigyan ko si Presidente. And then they never get back to the people. What was the result of that backdoor channeling? We lost Scarborough in August of 2012 to China. And then they go to Calayan Island Group and come up with those artificial islands. And then I ever heard you, President, and Sunny talking about these issues against China. Malapit sa puso namin yun, and you stop us from every activity that we went to do to defend our waters. Yan ang ginawa nyo. This is more even greater offense you had against this country. Mr. President and Sunny Trillanes is stopping us from defending our territory. What happened? You did not give us a report what happened to that backdoor channeling. You went to Beijing for 12, 16 times. Sunny, explain this to the people. Explain this to the people. What happened to that backdoor channeling? And why are you so soft on China in their activities since 2012? I haven't heard you saying anything. Yung mga kabataan, naglayag kami, mamatay-matay kami sa dagat para panindigan yan. And what have you done? And now you are about to sabotage the dream of this nation for a change you once shared with me. Kaya nga nilapitan mo si Mayor because you believe in that change. You know, because nabasted ka, you're barking like a dog.